Like, let's say a Canadian, he buys a property here in Florida. You know, they're a snowbird. They own the property for a few years, and then they decide to leave and sell the property. Well, guess what? They're going to be hit with this large withholding tax, 25% of the gross sale. So if the property is $1 million, right off the bat, the IRS is holding $250,000.
Interesting.
Now, that's not their final tax liability. When they go to file their tax return, their final tax liability might be like $75K. So they're going to get this massive refund. What we do, we're acceptance agents. So we can actually help them get a withholding certificate to reduce that withholding amount to what their actual liability is. So we do the FERPTA tax withholding, and we also help Canadian snowbirds who are going to sell U.S. property to reduce that.
Cool. On that note, well, first, Foch, are you crushing energy drinks over there, or what was that?
No, that was a Poppy.
Don't lie.
You ever had Poppy? You know those, right? Probiotic, like fake soda. Oh, dude, I live off these things.
This guy is health.
They got those at Whole Foods.
Yeah, everywhere. Like they just came to Canada, so they got them Costco here, which is pretty nice.
They're not in Mexico yet, fellas. So I'm still drinking
tequila.
Bubblies. Yeah, tequila.
You got tequila, dude. You got the Don.
That's right. I go right to the source.
That's a health food beverage.
That's right.
Yeah, it's very healthy, man. Agave.
Hey, before we go, I wanted to quickly the exchange rate considerations, because if an American is buying in Canada, or I guess anywhere globally, actually, for capital gains, would the capital gains and rental income be reported in the currency that the country that they bought the property in, or would it be reported in US dollars?
Very good question, Dave. For an American reporting that Canadian rental income on their tax return, they gotta use the IRS Treasury rate. So if you go into Google literally and type in IRS exchange rates, they'll pop up the exchange rates for a bunch of like major countries.